charter boat? What charter boat?
Hey guys, well, today's our last day on our holiday and it was great because we got Terry onto a charter boat to go fishing. It's the first time all the time we've been away that the weather has actually been good enough to even contemplate going fishing, and to be able to find a charter boat that was able to fit Terry on. It took a little bit of innovation. We actually had aluminium ramps which we were able to use, and then a few sets of eyes and a little bit of muscle, and we got him on board. So that was really amazing, and Terry had a really good day, and we caught heaps of fish. Got a lot of flathead, and if you notice in the video as it goes on, there's a couple of different fish. A banjo shark I'd never heard of, but we just took some photos of them to show you. I think they're in the video anyway. So that's our final day in Foster with Foster Fishing Charters. So if you do come to Foster and you want to go fishing on a charter, they can fit you if you are in a wheelchair. And just amazing people. It was just, could not do enough to help. So thanks Foster Fishing Charters for a fantastic, fun-filled fish day.
Still got the big one. Yeah, you had two. Oh, he's a good fish. Well done.
So this is getting Terry back off the boat. So basically it was in reverse of what we did to get him on. So just laid down the two aluminium tracks, and he basically just drove down. It was quite easy. It was a little bit tight because we had to have the ramps. Well, the ramps were a certain length, and of course the jetty was only so wide. But again, we made it work, and yeah, what a great day. Fantastic. And then the guys cleaned the fish for us. The pelicans got a feed. They're all lined up. So, and then there's a restaurant there, and so the chef cooked our dinner, our fish, and we had, that was our lunch, or late lunch. So we won't be having dinner tonight. Great day.